So, ang gagawin natin today ay, so last time ang diniscuss natin ay perturbation theory, pero um, non-degenerate. Okay? So in other words, yung mga states ay don't have the same energy. Or walang mga states na pare-parehong energy. This time, we have, ang didiscuss natin ngayon is uh, degenerate perturbation theory na kung saan merong states na tawag dito. Merong unperturbed states na pare-pareho ng value ng energy. Okay, so this is degenerate perturbation theory. Okay, so let's say na meron tayong dalawang states na psi A and psi B. Okay, ito ay mga unperturbed states. And they share the same energy. Okay, ibig sabihin, if you apply the Hamiltonian to state psi A, okay, unperturbed Hamiltonian. Okay, ang lalabas na energy ay E, okay, and then psi A. And if you apply the Hamiltonian to psi B, ang lalabas na energy is the same energy, okay, E. Okay. Okay, so ito yung ibig sabihin ng degenerate states kasi dalawa yung eigenvalues mo, eigenfunctions, pero isa lang yung kanilang eigenvalue. Now, itong mga states na to ay tawag dito, orthogonal states. Now, to start discussing the degenerate perturbation theory, unahin nating i-discuss or i-describe natin yung state function, okay, as the sum of the or linear combination of states na to, or superposition of states na to. So alpha psi A naught plus beta psi B naught. Okay. So, if we apply the Hamiltonian, okay, on this state, okay, then we still get the same energy level. Okay, kasi nga, anong tawag dito? Ano siya? Degenerate states nga siya. So, same energy values. Okay. So, typically, pag meron kayong ganitong states, mag-apply kayo ng perturbation, yung energy na to ay, o yung degeneracy na to ay mag-break. So in other words, magsisplit yung energy na to. Okay, and then if we turn off the perturbation, okay, yung upper state ay pwedeng ma-reduce sa sa linear combination ng dalawang states. Okay, and yung lower tawag dito, yung lower state naman ay pwede rin mag-result sa ibang linear combination. Okay, pero hindi natin alam kung alin dito yung good states, so to speak. Okay, so ang problem lang dun is that hindi natin pwede i-compute yung first order perturbation, first order energy, first order correction dun sa energy. Okay, kasi hindi natin alam kung unperturbed states yung gagamitin natin. Kasi dalawang linear combinations na yung magre-result. Okay, so for now, i-assume lang natin na meron tayong Hamiltonian, okay, which is general Hamiltonian that includes both yung perturbation. Okay, so let's say na ang Hamiltonian natin is H naught, okay, plus lambda H1. Okay, and this Hamiltonian, when applied to a wave function, gives this energy eigenvalue. Okay, so yung Hamiltonian na to includes yung first order correction dun sa Hamiltonian. So includes yung zeroth order correction tsaka yung first order correction. And then syempre, tulad nung ginawa natin sa degenerate non-degenerate states, okay, yung energy ay pwede natin expand, okay, in this way. And yung wave function, okay, ay pwede rin natin expand in this way. Okay? And tulad din ginawa din natin sa non-degeneracy sa previous na lesson, di ba nag-assign tayo ng parameter na alpha, okay? And anong tawag dito? Na lambda, okay, ito. Yung parameter na lambda, okay? And tapos ginroup natin yung mga tawag dito, yung equations that correspond to lambda to the zero, lambda to the first power, and so on and so forth. So pag lambda to the zero, of course, ang makukuha natin na grouping dyan is H naught psi naught plus equal sa E naught psi naught. And then pag lambda to the first power, ang makukuha natin grouping ay H naught psi 1 plus H1 psi naught equal sa E naught psi 1 plus E1 E naught psi 1 plus E1 psi naught. Okay? So, lahat ito ay ginawa na natin before. Okay, now we're going to take the inner product of this equation, okay, with psi A naught. Okay, so ang mangyayari is, ngayon mag-shift tayo sa bracket notation. So psi A naught, H naught psi 1 plus psi A naught, H1 psi naught equals sa E naught psi A naught psi 1 plus E1 psi A naught psi naught. Yes. Mm-hmm. Ano? Ay, oo nga, oo nga. Ba't ko sinulat ng ganyan yan? Oo. Okay, and tulad ng nangyari din dati, yung first term, since H naught is Hermitian, since the Hamiltonian is Hermitian, then pwede natin i-operate to dito. Okay, and then we'll get, so yung psi A, H naught psi 1, okay. So actually operates on this, and this will give us E naught psi A not A psi 1. Okay, which cancels with this one. Okay, so yeah. So magka-cancel sila. And we'll end up with this. So psi A not H prime psi not equals E prime psi A not psi not. Yes. Talagang in-skip nyo yung isang table. Ha? Yun ang tapat ng aircon sa kanila. Talaga? Okay, so ito ang gagamitin natin ngayon. Okay, so psi naught is a superposition of yung states na psi A naught tsaka psi B naught. So, okay, psi A naught H prime and then alpha psi A naught plus beta psi A naught H prime psi B naught. Naintindihan niyo kung ano nangyari? Kasi di ba yung psi naught is alpha psi A naught plus beta psi B naught. Okay? Okay. Then yung left ano naman, yung left hand side right hand side ng equation. So E1 psi A naught may alpha rin dito, sorry. So alpha E1 psi A naught psi A naught plus beta E1 psi A naught psi B naught. Oh shit. Hindi ako nagre-record. Ay, nagre-record pala ako. Na-record yung pagmumura ko. Shit. Okay. So, medyo mahabang ano no? Mahaba isulat no? So, ito is zero. There's orthogonality, di ba? Yan. Right? And ito ay yung nasa baba, yan ay 1. Okay? Nasa orthogonality yan. Then, ito, para lang madaling isulat, tatawagin nating WAA. At ito, tatawagin nating WAB. Okay lang? Para ano, para mas compact. Okay. So, pag nire-write natin yan, mag-turn ako ng page. Okay lang? So, pag nire-write natin yan, we get alpha WAA plus beta WAB equals sa alpha E prime, okay, na kung saan yung Wij ay equal sa psi I naught H prime psi J naught. Tapos yung Ij ay equal sa A. Okay? Okay. Now we go back here. Dito sa equation na ito, yung equation na yan, okay? And instead of taking the inner product with psi A, we take the inner product with psi B. So now we take the inner product with psi B naught. So we get psi B naught H naught psi 1 psi 1 plus psi B naught H1 psi naught equals sa psi B naught E naught dapat yun. E naught psi B naught psi naught. Okay, tama ba to? Psi 1 yata to eh, psi 1. Psi 1, okay, plus E1 psi B naught psi naught. Okay. And similarly, ito ay apply natin dyan. So psi B naught H naught psi 1 ay equal sa E naught psi B naught psi 1. Okay, which is equal dito. Okay. And so magka-cancel din yung terms na yun. We are left with psi B naught H1 psi naught equals sa E1 psi B naught psi. And since we know na ang psi naught is just alpha psi A naught plus beta psi B naught, then psi B naught H prime alpha psi A naught plus beta psi B naught H prime psi B naught. Yun yung nasa left hand side. And sa right hand side naman, we have E1 psi B naught psi A, may alpha din dyan, naught plus beta E1 psi B naught psi B naught. Of course, ito ay 0, ito ay 1. Kasi ito, based on yung definition nito, ay tatawagin natin WBA at ito naman ay WAB. So we have alpha WBA plus beta WBB equals sa alpha or equals sa beta E1. Oh, E1. Ay. Okay na? Okay na? Hindi nyo alam, minumura ko na pala kayo, no? Okay na? Hindi lahat nakakaintindi ng Ilocano, no? Sinong... Kaya nga, sabi ko nga, hindi lahat nakakaintindi, di ba? Okay na, di ba? Ika lang, Denzel. Okay. So, alam nyo, kukumpletuhin ko, no? Okay na. Sige. Ito ang gagamitin ko, ah. Okay. I-rewrite ko to. Okay. So, beta... Uh, wait. Parang may missing. Okay. So, nandito na tayo ngayon. Okay, ngayon, imumultiply ko to by WAB. Okay, so lalabas is alpha WAB, WBA plus beta WAB, WBB equals sa beta WAB E prime. Okay, now, ito, tingnan nyo mabuti, yung hina-highlight ko, okay, ay kukunin ko yung expression dun sa taas. Okay? So, beta WAB is equal to alpha E1 minus alpha WAA. Alpha WAA. Okay? So, kinuha ko yan dito. Okay lang? Nakuha nyo? Okay. And then, syempre, yan yung ipapasok ko ngayon dun sa ating expression. So, dun siya mapupunta. And what I'll get is alpha WAB, WBA, okay, plus alpha E1 minus alpha, tanggalin, ilabas ko na yung alpha. alpha E1 minus WAA WBB, okay, equals sa alpha E1 minus WAA E1. Alpha WAB WBA plus alpha E1 minus WAA WBB minus alpha E1 minus WAA E1 equals 0. Common term. Okay. So, i-factor out ko yan. Plus alpha E1 minus WAA gagawin ko. This will become minus, and this will become E1 minus WBB equals 0. Okay? Nakuha niyo ba kung paano nangyari yan? Common term tong dalawa, di ba? Yung naka-underline, common term sila. Siyempre, pag finactor out ko, I get WBB minus E. Pero pinalitan ko kasi yung sign dun sa labas. Eh. Kaya nagbaliktad. Okay? E1 minus WBB. Okay? And, siyempre, common term sa lahat yung alpha. Okay? Para madali lang yung buhay natin. Igaganito ko siya. Yan. Okay. So, of course, yung trivial na solution is alpha is 0, pero ayaw natin nun kasi ginagamit natin yung alpha describes yung probability, okay, na ang isang particle ay nasa state alpha A not. Okay, so ang gusto natin mangyari ngayon is that yung non-trivial na solution is WAB, WBA minus E1, WAA, E1 minus WBB equals 0. So pag in-expand natin yan, we have E1 squared, okay, minus, ito E1 times WBB, di ba? E1 times WBB, okay, and then positive yung sign. So plus E1 WBB, and then ito naman, positive din yung sign. So plus E1 WAA. Okay? And then minus, and then may minus ka pa doon. So minus WAA WBB. Okay? And then plus WAB WBA. Ito. Equals 0. So E1 squared plus E1 WAA plus WBB minus plus WAB WBA minus WAA WB. equals. Ano? Ay, oo nga, no? Negative siya. Oo, negative siya. Negative E1. Teka, siguraduhin natin yung signs. Okay, so negative. So ito magiging minus na to. Di ba? Minus na yan. And then, magiging plus WAA. WAA, WBB minus WAB, WBA. Okay. Alam niyo na kung paano kunin yung roots, no? Ng E1. So, ang A dito is equal to 1. Ito yung B, kasama yung negative sign. At ito yung C. Right? Okay, so ang roots, okay, ay, sige, sabihin niyo pag tapos na kayo para ito-turn ko yung page. Okay? Wala kayo sa mood ngayong araw, ah. Iba ng joke? Ah, so anong solution ng E1? Ups. E1. Dalawa yan, di ba? Plus or minus yan. Di ba? Ano yun? 1/2. Okay. Di ba? Negative B. Tama, no? Negative B plus or minus. Ang B is negative WAA plus WBB. So, WAA plus WBB plus or minus square root ng B squared. So, negative ng WAA. Kaya ko nga binura eh. Negative WAA plus WBB squared minus 4 and then A, which is 1, and then yung C. Ang C is WAA, WBB minus WAB, WBA. WAA, WBB minus WAB, WBA. Okay, all over, may ando doon na yung 2, and then yung A na lang, which is 1. Okay, so wala pala tayong yung dyan, denominator. So yan na siya. Siyempre, simplify natin yan. Anin muna natin yung discriminant. Okay, so sa discriminant, then we have WAA squared plus 2 WAA WBB plus WBB squared minus 4 WAA WBB plus WAB WBA. Right? At pagsasamahin natin ito, we have WAA squared minus 2 WAA WBB plus WBB squared plus WAB WBA. And, alin? Aling labas? Yung alin?
Yung square root.
Ito? Ito? Yan? Squared siya eh. Di ba naka-square siya? Kasama siya sa square brackets. Ito? Ito?
Hindi ba?
Hindi, may negative sign ka dito. Ayun o. Yeah. Yung B nyo is negative W. Yung B bali is negative WAA plus WBB. Kaya dito ang sinulat ko negative WAA plus WB. Ito? Yan. Okay. Okay na? Okay na? Kailangan kong ayusin lang yung pagbigkas ko. WAA minus WBB squared plus 4 WAB squared. Okay, na kung saan yung WAB, di ba, is psi A H prime psi B not. So yung WBA is WAB complex conjugate, which is just equal to psi B not H prime. Tama, psi A not. Okay, so kaya naging ganyan yan. Okay, kasi they're just complex conjugates of each other. So WAB is just WBA star. Masyado bang maliit pa ganyan? So, okay na? So, yung E1 plus or minus ay equal sa 1/2 WAA plus WBB plus or minus square root ng WAA minus WBB squared minus 4 WAB modulus squared. Okay, now if WAB or WBA is equal to 0, then yung last term, okay, then yung last term will become 0, di ba? So yung E1 plus or minus ay magiging equals to 1/2 WAA plus WBB plus or minus. Okay, so mawawala na yung square, di ba? After mong i-apply yung square root. So it's WAA minus WBB. So yung E1 plus na term is 1/2 WAA plus WAA. So 2 WAA. Okay, and then WBB minus huh? Sorry. WAA plus pala yung ginagawa natin. WBB plus negative WBB. Okay, so 0 lang yun. So this is WAA. Then yung E minus, okay, na state is 1/2, tapos WAA minus WAA, and then WBB minus negative WBB. So WBB twice niyan. So this is just WBB. So ito na yung dalawang tawag dito, degenerate na states after yung i-apply yung perturbation. Yes. Dito? Plus. Well, you can actually derive itong mga to, okay, from these equations. Okay, so consider natin itong unang equation, alpha WAA plus beta WAB equals alpha E. So, alpha WAA plus, ano yun? Beta WAB equals alpha E. So, if alpha is equal to 0, then beta WAB is equal to 0. Okay? Which means na, ito naman ang titignan natin dito sa baba. Nasaan na yun? Nasaan na yung pangalawang equation? Ito to. Hindi natin na-highlight ito. Okay, so WBA, alpha WBA plus beta WBB. So, alpha WBA plus beta WBB is equal to beta E. So, if alpha is 0, then ang matitira dito is beta WBB is equal to beta E. And, syempre magka-cancel yung ano, no? Yung beta. We get E1 equals WBB, which is yung nandiyan. And if beta is equal to 0, then we have alpha WAA, okay, plus equal to equal sa alpha E1, okay, WAA ngayon is equal to E1, which is yung nandiyan dyan, but only under the condition na ang alpha WBA ay equal to 0, or WBA is equal to 0. Okay. So again, you get these two equations from this general equation, under the assumption na true ito. Pero syempre, yan yung general na equation natin for the tawag dito, first order correction kay nung sa degenerate na perturbation theory. Sa isang degenerate na perturbation. So ano nangyayari if you have first order, so if you have if you have a degenerate perturbation, then nangyayari is nagsisplit yung energies into E plus tsaka E minus, tulad ng nakikita niyo. So ito yung expression na to. Any questions? Questions? Wala. Okay, so we'll consider one example, and then consider the next example sa next meeting. Okay, kasi mabibitin tayo sa oras. Then that should be it, yung coverage ng second exam. Okay, so isang example lang muna. So ito ay problem 6.6. Okay. Wait. Ano po gagawin natin? Problem 6.6. Okay, problem 6.6, let the two good unperturbed states be equal to psi plus or minus equals to alpha plus or minus psi A plus beta plus or minus psi B. So it's exactly the same except na dito plus or minus yung ginamit natin. Okay? Kasi nakuha na natin yung eigenvalues for yung split na eigenvalues, at ngayon meron na siyang corresponding na eigenfunctions. Okay, so yung alpha plus or minus tsaka beta plus or minus are determined using normalization. Okay, and the problem is to show explicitly that first of all psi plus or minus are orthogonal. Secondly, that psi plus h prime and then psi minus equals 0. Okay, and that will lead to yung sa energy eigenvalue na plus or minus And then yung expression na ganyan. Okay? So, letter A muna. Okay. We are to show na psi plus 0, psi minus 0 is equal to 0. So, recall na ang psi minus 0 ay equal sa, hindi recall, kundi yun yung given. Okay, psi minus 0 ay equal sa alpha minus ket alpha A plus beta minus ket psi B, 0. Okay, and yung psi plus 0 is alpha plus star, okay, bra psi A plus beta plus star, bra psi B. Okay, naintindihan niyo kung paano nangyari yan? Yes. Okay, so now we can get psi plus, then psi minus, okay, and we have alpha plus star psi A plus beta plus star psi B, okay, and then alpha minus psi A plus beta minus psi B. Okay. So yung first term, it gives us alpha plus star, alpha minus psi A naught, psi A. Okay, and then ang gagawin natin. Ito na muna. Oops. So plus alpha plus star beta minus alpha A naught, alpha B naught. Okay, and then ito plus beta plus star alpha minus psi B naught, psi A naught, then ito naman okay, plus beta plus star beta minus psi B naught, psi B. And alam natin na ito ay equal sa 1, ito ay 0, ito ay 0, ito ay equal sa 1. So we get alpha plus star, alpha minus plus beta plus star, beta minus. Okay. So, may expression tayo for beta from here, dyan. Okay, so gagamitin natin yung expression na yan. Okay, so we have beta equals sa alpha E1 minus alpha WAA divided by WAB. Okay? So, we use beta equals sa alpha E1 minus WAA all over WAB. So, yung beta plus star ay equal sa alpha plus star kay E1 minus WAA E1 plus okay, WAA E1 WAA and divided by WBB star. Dapat yung star, WA. Okay, so ang B minus is alpha minus E minus 1 minus WAA all over WAB. Okay, at yan yung ilalagay natin dyan. Ilalagay natin doon. So, yung ket, yun, psi plus 0, psi minus 0 ay equal sa so alpha plus star, alpha minus, okay, plus alpha plus star, E plus 1 minus WAA star all over WAB star. Yan yung beta plus star. Then yung beta minus is alpha minus E minus 1. That's WAA over WA. Okay, common term. Ito. Tsaka yun. So, pwede ko i-factor out yan, no? One plus. Ah. And then may, hindi, okay lang. E plus 1 minus WAA. Of course, hindi na necessary yung star dyan sa WAA. Kasi AA naman siya. So, and then yung WAB square. Yes. Habulin pa raw niya yung bus niya eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya gagawin yan. Medyo mabilis yung bus eh. Dapat masaya kayo, walang pasok bukas.
Yes.
Yan.
Yes.
Okay. Ha? Okay. So, syempre ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin yung mga yan. Tapos, yung WAB, ilalabas ko siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin magkakaroon ng WAB dito. Tapos, i-multiply ko na tong term by term. Okay? Yan yung mangyayari. Okay? So, mag-shift na ako ng page. Okay, so psi plus 0, psi minus 0. Okay, equal sa alpha plus star, alpha minus over WAB squared. Tapos, WAB squared plus okay, E plus 1, E minus 1 minus E plus 1 plus E minus 1 WAA plus WAA squared. Okay na? Sige. It's really going to be messy. So, hindi natin alam kung nakatakas si Francine. Okay, or na-miss niya itong lesson na to. Bakit siya magiging messy? We have an expression for E plus and E minus given by this. At yan yung ipapasok natin doon sa expression. Okay? Now, fast forward. Gusto nyo mag-skip ako ng steps? Okay, yung mas madali muna, yan. Ito munang E plus E minus. Yan. Okay. Oh, para lang ma-emphasize. Oh. Yan, ang expression na yan is E plus E minus, di ba? Tapos meron kayong plus minus dito. So yung E plus E minus cancels yung nasa square root. Cancels yung square root. Tama? Ang matitira is WAA plus WBB. Okay? Okay? Okay. So, okay lang yung third term. Yung second term, yun yung madugo. Okay. Now, we're just going to work on so ito, alam na natin to be WAA plus WBB. Okay, yan. Okay, now, doon tayo yan, dito tayo. So, I'm going to keep the color para alam nyo na yan yung ano. So, ito yung kung ayaw nyo isulat, okay lang din. At mag-rely na lang kayo sa ano. Minus 4 WAB squared. Then ito yung square root. Multiplied by yung minus term. E minus term. So WAA plus WBB minus WAA minus WBB squared minus 4 WAB squared. and then square root. Now, okay, madali lang siya actually multiply kasi kung if you observe correct kung mapapansin niyo it's just a plus b times a minus b. Tama? Which is a squared minus b squared. Okay? So this is 1/4 tapos WAA plus WBB squared minus WAA minus WBB squared minus 4 WAB squared. Then 1/4 WAA squared plus 2 WAA WBB plus WBB squared minus WAA squared minus, so ito minus yan, so magiging plus 2 WAA WBB and then minus WBB squared then plus 4 WAB squared. Okay, so cancel, 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 cancel. Okay, and then we have, may magko-combine to ngayon. Magko-combine to. May 2 ka dito, may 2 ka dito, and then may 4 ka doon, so mawawala yung 4 na yan. Okay, so we'll end up with WAA, WBB. Okay, bakit minus? Plus dapat ano? Plus 4 WAB squared. Hindi, dito sa notes ko kasi minus. So, magpa-plus siya. Ay, ba't may 4 pa? Wala na yung 4. Dapat minus siya. Dapat minus siya eh. Plus naman kasi doon. Hindi naman eh. Mangungopia lang, mali pa. Plus kasi yan. Yan, plus. And then minus doon. Yon. Yan. Minus, minus. Nakita niyo na 0 na? Okay, remember na ito is this one. WAB 0. Tama? Salamat sa confirm sa ano. WAA times WAA minus sign cancel. Hindi pa. Hindi pa tapos. Ayun. WAA, WBB. So, therefore, psi plus 0, psi minus 0 is equal to 0.
Wow.
Okay? A pa lang yan. Okay, tuloy na lang natin sa next meeting yung B. Kahit na nadaya ako ng 15 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes yun. Siyempre, nagbibilang ako. Okay. So,